Just like my eyebrow and just a little on my lips, that's all. No foundation at all.
Okay, so we're going to start off with the lymphatic drainage thoracic node, which is by your heart. Is it okay? So guys, do you know much about your lymphatic system?
No.
Okay, don't worry, most people don't. So you know you have like your blood circulatory system within your body. You also have a lymphatic system as well, which is basically your body's toxin drainage system. So any excess fluid, any dead cells, anything like that, your body needs to get rid of. It gets put into your lymphatic system and then drained away. But it slows down as time goes on. So what we're doing with lymphatic drainage is helping to speed up your body's toxin drainage system. And by doing that, it helps to with things like puffiness around the face and eyes, but also then helps to bring fresh, healthy lymph to the lower layers of the skin. So we get a better absorption from the hydration stage. Drainage bit, this is speeding up that waste disposal system and helping with things like puffiness around the face and eyes. So while I'm doing these little pumps, this is specifically on your lymph nodes basically. So you have lymph nodes all over your face. And where I'm doing these pumps, then I'm draining it all down towards that main one, which is by the heart. Speed up the whole body's lymphatic system as well.
And how do you know the place where they are? Or they're just everywhere?
Oh, because just from lots of training and qualifications and yeah. Yeah, we'll continue to use it. It's amazing for people with like puffiness around the face, especially around the eye area. Brilliant. But it doesn't hurt at all, does it? It doesn't hurt at all, does it? No. So none of the treatment, there's no pain, no downtime, no discomfort with this. It's a really nice treatment to have done. But it's also like, I have a lot of mums who own the clinic over in the Midlands, and I have a lot of mums who come in and yeah, it's like an hour to come in and lie down and chill out and have some me time, but also it's going to actually make a difference to the skin. All the dead skin cells, we have nice fresh skin to work on. So at the same time as it's exfoliating, we're also infusing products in to help with the exfoliation from within the skin as well. This is why you find it in like aesthetic clinics, because it goes a lot deeper than most facials would. Have you had a microdermabrasion before?
No.
Okay, don't worry. This is the stage you can most liken to a microdermabrasion. So each stage of the treatment that we do could be done as an individual facial. So it's like having 6 treatments all done together, basically.
So we'll just take away all my wrinkles and
what
make
wrinkles?
my skin look younger.
Oh, absolutely, it'll make your skin look younger because it gives you that lovely, healthy, radiant glow. That, you know, it's what happens, you know, when you've got that lovely, soft, bouncy, I'm sure like your kids do, that beautiful, like flawless, glowing skin. It gives that amazing health and hydration back to it. How does it feel?
Feels so good.
Yeah, it feels so fresh.
What's like? Is that water or something?
So each stage has a specific formulation of serums to help it do its job more effectively. So at this stage we're infusing in glucosamine and botanical cleansers and lactic acid to help with the exfoliation process within the skin as well. So yeah, every stage has got an exfoliating product, an anti-inflammatory product and a hydrating product. and each stage improves the next. So by removing the dead skin layer at this stage, when we do the peel stage next, we don't get that kind of physical peeling from the skin, and we also get the key penetration of the key ingredients that we do at the end with the hydration stage.
Another problem area is my nose.
Yeah,
I get like little bumps of
like lots of congestion. Yeah, it's really gonna help to sort that out for you. Do you use much in your skin at home?
not quite much really.
No.
Just like foundation, concealer, and then I use what do you call it? Makeup remover.
Yeah. You just feel a bit tingly. Just let me know if it's feeling too much at any point. So we can do it especially over that concern area, like around your nose, really help to soften all the pores. So that when we do the extraction stage, we get really good extractions around there. Nothing removes blackhead and congestion like Hydrafacial, and all of this is going to get collected in a part of the back, so we'll show you what's come out of your skin at the end. Yeah, it's amazing to see.
So how much does it cost?
Have done. So it's probably £135 to have the 6-stage hour-long treatment here, which is what you're having today. Remembering that each stage of the treatment could be done as an individual facial. So you're getting the benefits of 6 treatments all done together. So if you were to break it down as to what you would pay to have each stage of the treatment done individually, it would cost you nearly 3 times as much than with a Hydrafacial. And again, you're going to get better results with a Hydrafacial because each stage makes the next stage better. So we're just literally going over and neutralising with water now. Is that helping to take down that tingliness?
Yeah, I think so. I also think it's too much.
Yeah. You should do a close-up shot of your nose because we're going to get some really good extractions.
My husband would like that one because he likes anything.
Yeah.
Like those pressings and all those kind of yucky stuff.
Very good. So what we're going to do now is, because we've softened the pores, we're going to go over and purge them. So we're purging them with salicylic acid and honey extract. Very satisfying as a practitioner because you can see it all coming out.
So can you see it?
Yeah.
Why can't I even see anything? It's going into the machine, yeah?
Yeah, it's getting sick. Can you see like that collection of like white stuff in the tip?
Yeah.
That's all your congestion.
Wow. This is amazing.
We're gonna deliver loads of nutrients into the skin. So this is probably gonna feel a little bit tingly. No problem if you're feeling that, you're basically just feeling it working with the skin. So we've got things like antioxidants, which are like fruit and veg for your skin, really important for skin health. We've got hyaluronic acid, which is really important for your deep, long-lasting hydration. And then peptides, so peptides are the proteins that make up collagen. And because of how Hydrafacial works, this is all pushed 20 times deeper into the skin than just putting a cream on top of your face. Because of all the prep stages. So we're just going to leave this nice and wet on the face because we want your skin to absorb it all in basically. So all of these things are like key elements that you need within your skin and your skincare regime to get the optimum skin health. So to give it that lovely glow, give it hydration, get it working in the most productive way into the skin. Also helps to calm everything, so it will calm that tingliness for you, stimulates collagen, pushes the products even deeper and intensifies the glow. So we do this for about 9 minutes, going round. We've also got blue light, so if someone had acne, we can use the blue light on them. So the blue light kills the acne producing bacteria, so great for any spot prone clients.
My face feels smoother.
So nice.
So nice.
Okay, so and then we're just gonna pop some sunscreen on for you as well.
Okay.
So SPF is something we recommend to use every day. Resurface the skin as well.
I like the smell.
Smells so good, doesn't it?
This has a lovely glow now.
Yes. And that will just continue to get better over the next few days. Because again, we've treated within the skin rather than just on top, so that skin starts to come through too. There we go, all done.
Oh, thank you.
No worries. So moment of truth now, we'll show you what's come out.
Wow, let me see. Let me see all the junk.
In blackheads, dead skin, congestion. It's amazing.
Oh.
Well, that's come out your face.
So even this, what's that, yeah?
So this is all the serums that we use within the treatment.
okay.
So any of the excess is pushed in, but yeah. So it's like all of that. Amazing.
Thank you.
It's alright.